I do not understand why my amulet is further damaged. He must win. If not Liu Kang, then who?
You got me. Not sure anybody could have done what he did. Made Shang Tsung look like a chump.
Here to congratulate us on our victory, sorcerer?
What? Shang Tsung?
You have been revitalized, I see. I didn't realize your master was in the habit of rewarding failure.
The Emperor has an offer, Raiden. A new tournament.
I see no reason to participate in any plan of yours.
The Emperor proposes a single tournament to replace the current system of 10. It will be held in Outworld. If Earthrealm does not win, Outworld will absorb it. But if Earthrealm wins, Shao Kahn will abandon his claim to it forever.
Give your Emperor my regards. I now realize what we must do.
Anybody get the number of that? Wait, where's Sonya?
Shang Tsung has taken her.
We've got to find her.
We must follow them.
Shang Tsung has made it clear that Earthrealm will be under constant threat, unless I agree to a new tournament.
Another vision?
Yes. I saw Liu Kang win the proposed tournament. I believe we must attend. But my earlier vision of your victory over Shang Tsung was not the solution I sought. Therefore, this premonition must show an event I need to change. Perhaps he must win refers to another. Hear me, Elder Gods! I accept the terms proposed by Shao Kahn. We go to Outworld.
I assume that's the big man himself.
The wrestler guy with the cow skull on his head? And why aren't the Kung Fu twins here helping us?
I sent Liu Kang and Kung Lao to free their Shaolin masters. I expected Sonya Blade to be here with Shang Tsung.
She better not have a scratch on her.
Wait! This is a tournament!
Ah, the Earthrealm delegation has arrived. And we have a volunteer for first combat.
What? The tournament will begin!
Jackson Briggs, you will face Baraka!
Damn you,
My blades will find your heart.
Round 1. Fight! JAX wins. Round 2. Fight! JAX wins.
You shouldn't be running with those. Where's Sonya?
Tell me, Major Briggs, do you and she do anything other than rescue one another? Your next opponent will be... What is it? Excellent. It seems I have a pressing matter to attend to. With the Emperor's permission, we will reconvene later.
What was that all about?
I think we should follow him. You okay?
Sonya Blade. She is to be executed. My powers are compromised here in Outworld, but I will be able to transport us near enough to her.
Maybe you could try for even nearer next time. Where are we?
I will inform you the instant I know.
Wish this damn tracking device worked in here.
This is just like my movie Time Smashers. We were going around and
Give it a
trying
rest,
to...
will ya? Making my ears hurt.
So what's the deal with you and Sonya anyway? She's smoking hot.
It's not like that. I'm her CO.
Honey like that under my command? Oh,
You'll want to stop talking now.
But if it's not like that, then you won't mind if I...
That's it! Time somebody shut you the hell up!
Round 1. Fight! JAX wins.
Bring it on!
Round 2. Fight! JAX wins.
How you like that, Mr. A-List?
Enough! Jackson Briggs, you will restrain yourself.
Yeah, well,
Someone approaches.
Good. Maybe somebody else needs their ass whooped. You looking for something?
The armory is restricted. You will leave now.
Gonna have to ask nicer than that.
Round 1. Fight! Jay wins. Round 2. Fight! JAX wins. Round 3. Fight! JAX wins.
Wrong place, wrong time, lady.
Feel better?
Listen, Cage.
Don't worry about it. Guess we know where we are now, thanks to her.
Yes, and where we must go.
Let's do it.
Come
Come on, Cage.
What is it with you Shokan and underground cesspools?
If you had not dishonored yourself by attempting escape, we would not be here in this sewer.
Sonya!
Guards, stop them!
So much for the surprise attack.
She is the Emperor's property, human.
She's nobody's property.
Round 1. Fight! JAX wins. Round 2. Fight!
How you like that?
JAX wins.
I guess extra arms don't make a difference.
You sure have a way with women.
You know me. I'm a class act.
Thanks. What took you so long?
He was busy hitting me in the face.
That's weird. I've got 2 sets of readings, heavy tech signals, both of them.
Technology. Then they cannot be of Outworld. We need to confront the source of each signal. We might discover the one whose victory I must ensure.
Wait, what about us? What are we, chopped liver? What?
Perhaps you are right, Johnny Cage. You will stay close to me.
Great,
Close as a shadow, and twice as silent.
Sonya, you're with me. Keeping my eye on you. Raiden, looks like you'll want to teleport yourself about 30 clicks that way.